Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So today I'm going to talk about Windows 11. So I'm making this video because of what issue I face when I upgrade to Windows 11 from Windows 10 Pro. So I'm gonna mention some of the issues that I face when I move to the Windows 11. So that way, if you guys are planning to move to Windows 11, so you will know the bad, good and the bad about the Windows 11. So first thing I'm gonna mention, when you upgrade to Windows 11, your PC might not be able to, because there is some setting in the BIOS that you have to turn them on to be able to move to Windows 11. And then if you get to the Windows 11 already, it's free to upgrade from Windows 10 Pro. And what happened is, you have 10 days, so you can go back to Windows 10 if you don't like the Windows 11. So I switched to Windows 11 and it was working perfectly fine. I did not know that I don't use PC that much, and mostly I use when I make a video or do casual gaming. So what happened is, my 10 days was already passed. So what game I played, the Call of Duty, and that game was working perfectly fine when I was using the Windows 10 Pro, and then it started to crash in the Windows 11, and that was a big issue for me because that's the only game mostly I play, or PUBG, and that game was keep crashing. Sometimes it just says that it's not gonna run properly, you have to run in the safe mode, and if I run into the safe mode, then the graphics settings are pretty low, and then I increase them again when I go to the game. So it works, and maybe after a while it will crash again. So that's the issue I was facing. And I also was facing issue in the Chrome. If I'm playing something in the Google Chrome, it was keep crashing, and like not always, but sometimes it just keep program get closed, and sometimes if I minimize the program, it will not open again. Even though if I click on the program, it will not open. So that's the issue I have. So I have three monitor connected. One of them is always stay off. So mostly two of them that's front of me. So if I'm running something on second monitor, let's say I open the Battle.net where you play the game in the PC. So I run the Call of Duty, and when it's run on one screen, like the main screen, and then the other one, if I open something, Chrome or something, it will go minimize when the game starts on the screen. So that was a little bit frustrating, because if I want to watch something else and play the game, or listen to something else and watch as well same time, it was not happening. It was keep minimizing the other program in the second screen. And the other issue I want to mention, that let's say when you right click and go for the refresh menus, so it was not letting me refresh. There is two steps now in Windows 11. If you right click, you won't see a direct refresh button, or then you have to click another menu like more options, then you'll see the refresh button. That was the issue, and sometimes it does not even show. So and also I have issue when I upgrade to Windows 11. I have an issue with the taskbar. Sometimes, when you click on the volume button, you get the menus that you have in the Windows 10. Those menus does not appear on top, and when you are clicking, sometime, not always, but that was happening quite often. So that was frustrating me as well. So in the Windows 10, it works perfectly fine. I see all the menus and everything on the side. You probably know it's basically like task manager, um, like iPhone menus that come from bottom or from one corner to from another corner. So there are two different menus. So it's same like this, but on the right side of the window on the bottom corner. So you click that audio button, and you get immediately the audios where you want to receive the audio, like where you want to listen, speaker or your monitor speaker, your mic input or whatever. So you want to click that and change it, it does not show up. So that was happening as well. So those things make me forced to go back to Windows 10 Pro, and that's what I did. So what happened, I already 10 days passed, so there was no other way. You have to literally reset the whole PC to go back to Windows 10 Pro. That's why I'm mentioning those stuff. And also I want to mention one of the error was when I run the game, it says you are running Windows 8 and Windows 8 is not supported for this game, which does not make sense while I was running Windows 11. So that error also happened a lot of time when I was running Windows 11. I think I keep it for 15 days and then I switch back to Windows 10 Pro. So those are the error that I face when I use the Windows 11, and the menus and all the settings are pretty fine. It's just like you'll say the upgrade is not that crazy. It's just some, like you can say it's like a new theme, you know, like different design, the same thing but different design. So that was about it. There was nothing much to upgrade to, just new look in the menus, new look in the settings and all that. So the main issue was the games and the programs that are crashing. So other than that, I did not face any issue. That was perfectly fine. So I would say if you're planning to upgrade to Windows 11, I would say wait for maybe a year or 6 months more before they fix all the minor bugs and issues with that menus. Sometimes the menus does not show up. Let's say I right click and the small bar that opens with a lot of different options, it does not show up in Windows 11. Sometime, not always, but sometime. The Windows icon where you click and you get a lot of options and programs and everything, that does not show up as well when it's happened, and I have to restart the PC and then it start working properly. So those small things you have to keep in mind before you upgrade to Windows 11. So this video is about that. If you have any question regarding the Windows 11, you can ask me, and also I will say don't upgrade yet because a lot of apps are not supported to Windows 11 yet. So I'll say wait a little while and then upgrade to Windows 11. So thank you very much for watching, and I will guys see you in the next one. Do like and subscribe for more videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz.